right. Yes. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning to everyone who is watching wherever you are. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And today we are going to look at something that is also very, very interesting. And yes, I'm going to be working with my other colleagues so that the work can be faster. Yes, most of the times when we are doing some these hairstyles that takes long when you're braiding alone, we always try to have a team. But first and foremost, what we focus on is the person who is adding. The person who is starting should be one on the head, and maybe others who are finishing. Okay, but it was by then when we used to start. You find someone is starting from the other side and this one from this side, and you find that like the work is not neat. But when one person is starting from down, then it means the second person is also going to be finishing the braiding, and then there we are good to go. But of course, the way you have seen her hair, it is really very, very soft and broken, like mostly on the hairline. So we are trying to achieve the knotless as usual. It is somehow very, very hard. Yes, but we hope to do it. This time around, we are going to be using the Zanzi braids, still from Darling Company Uganda. It is the one we are going to be using. So my colleague is going to start from here so that we see how it is going to be. But most of the times, I always want my colleagues to understand, even you who is learning right now, there's something that you need to understand whenever we are doing these kind of hairstyles. It might not be only these braids or maybe the twists or even the pieces, others. The only part you should always focus on is the finishing, because we might do everything braiding or sewings or trimmings, but what is your finishing? That should be the main point. How are you going to finish? How is your client going to look like? So those are the things that we always need to focus on before even we are as we are doing this. But already in your head, you should be having something that is telling you how you're going to finish your client, because the finishing is always the perfect thing, as you're going to be seeing in this video.
Cartons around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongo yaka, Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wansa, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaka. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris, the crochet master.
So most of the times when we reach in front, we always do it differently. And this is how I want you to see it, how we do it. We just separate the braid into 3 portions. Then we braid it like this using the inward knotless braiding. And then you start adding from down like that. Just because her nails are long, you cannot say it well. So you just add in from down and then you braid it this way. This is the method that I always love you guys to learn. And yes, if you want to learn, the link is in the description. You can click on it. It's going to take you through and you see how we always do it. So you can see how amazing these braids looks like. And from the beginning, since her hair is very like is broken in front, so we're trying to see how we can get it and it can look as perfect as possible. But all in all, I want us to focus on the finishing point because it is very important. Why we have been doing the knotless braids, most of us know how to do the knotless braids. The only thing I can always talk about is those people who overpack the braids. Okay, yes, it's not a must that you need to overpack. It is not a must. You find like someone is doing like this partitioning but is adding on a big braids, okay, big extensions. So that's when you will need to put a lot, and once you put it a lot, it is heavy. It is also going to make your client uncomfortable. So all in all, we should always try to make sure that we don't put a lot, and again we maintain not again to put lid on the head, because that one is also not okay. We just have to balance to make sure that it comes out very, very nicely. So for now, the other method, we do it mostly in front, as the way you can see the way she's starting. So start like that, and then you add from behind. You see, you add from behind as you're moving. This is how we do our knotless braiding, but this method is the inwards knotless braiding. So let's see how it is going to look like. But for now, I would like you to rate my finishing and tell me how it is looking like from the percentage of 1 to 10. Okay, you rate it and tell me how I did it, because at the end of it all, when they're done, I'm the one who's supposed to do the right finishing. Bye bye. May the Lord bless you all. See you in my other next video. But don't forget to go right in the comment section and rate my finishing, and please don't forget to give me a like.
You got the touch of a cricket master, yeah. Oh no, no, no. Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oh, you get the one boy I Morris, the crochet master, did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris, yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master, Morris, you crochet master, Morris, you crochet master, crochet master, no, 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 touch of a crochet master. He's so good, yeah, yeah. Number one running. Totally not your number. Number one, you know. A big thing this. Yeah. Banobeba number one. Boli chimuba chikola from the heart. Obukugu wapulo. The moli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, him a run them. Uchenviri bakuwa balinga high grade kwe basoma. All of them are styles, them a do for you. Them a make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here, by creepers, yeah. They are by clippers fire. Dolina chongamba. They are by clippers fire. Oh no no, Dolina, Dolina chongamba, 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 Dolina, yeah 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 yeah. A number one project master, Morris. For the ones that make us smile every day, pour their hearts in all they do every minute. Work so hard for us to be so bold. Stand tall. We appreciate you. We love you. We say thank you. Yeah, we say we are here for you. We are here for you. All our lives we've been waiting for this moment. We need like expected. We're here for you. We are here for you. Jangu tutambule no mulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Oyagala mulembe jangu tutambule no mulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Confidence said muchikumi we give it out tetuleka you with the best to none. Anyawa kana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga. Tuli ba big baller shot callers tukola kwa babazewulira. So high in the sky we know how to